Welcome to today's market report.
World stocks rallied and the dollar edged up from 8-month lows on Friday as slowing inflation data raised hopes the Federal Reserve can engineer an economic soft landing and reduce its pace of aggressive monetary tightening next week. US consumer spending fell for a second straight month in December, a Commerce Department report said, which also showed the smallest gain in personal income in 8 months that partly reflected moderate wage growth, both good signs for inflation. MSCI's gauge of stock performance in 47 countries gained 0.31% after the index earlier hit fresh 5-month highs. Equities have concluded the Fed really knows what they are doing, that they've shepherded the economy pretty well so far and really have a shot at a soft landing. But what they have paid less attention to is growth, and the growth picture is going to be scary this year. A 5% annualized increase in the personal consumption expenditures price index, the smallest gain since September 2021 in the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, indicated progress. Futures showed the market pricing in a slightly higher peak of the Fed's overnight lending rate at 4.912% in June. The market then sees rates easing to 4.473% in December on expectations the Fed cuts rates later this year. The yield curve on 3-month Treasury bills and 10-year notes stayed at the negative territory at minus 116.1. The Dow Jones rose 0.08%, the S&P advanced 0.25%, and the Nasdaq added 0.95%. Stock 600 index closed up 0.26% as all major bourses in Europe closed higher. Investors tussled with mixed earnings from that region, but easing US inflation boosted sentiment ahead of central banks' decisions next week. GBP was at 124, Euro was at 108. This is today's market report. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.